Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to verify email on Bluesky account. So if you also want to verify email on Bluesky account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Bluesky application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you open Bluesky application, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In order to verify your email, all you have to do is tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now here you'll be able to find several options. What you have to do is tap on the settings option that you can see at the last. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the settings interface. Over here you'll be able to find several options. Right over here you'll be able to find the option for verify email. Simply tap on the option verify my email. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll receive an email to verify it's you. Simply tap on the option send confirmation. Now an email will be sent to you. Simply open the Gmail application. You can see over here the email for email confirmation has been sent. All you have to do is tap on it. Now here you'll be able to see the code. Memorize this code. Now go back to Bluesky application. Now enter the confirmation code over here. Simply tap right over here. Enter the confirmation code. After that, simply tap on the confirm option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here your email has been successfully verified. So that is how you verify email on Bluesky account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.